How to make money with altcoins in 2023. Crypto investing is turning into more accessible every day. A range of exchanges, similar to those used for traditional investments, are available. You can set up an account in minutes. But, simply like investing in any asset, doing your research on a particular currency prior to investing may additionally be wise. If you're wondering how to invest in cryptocurrency for the first time, these following 5 steps can get you started. Before we begin, welcome to Finance Dailies, where we teach you how to make money in the simplest way. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more video. Step 1. Choose what cryptocurrency to invest in. Choosing cryptocurrencies can be extra difficult and to avoid falling into scam during investment. Those risks can reduce significantly if you do proper research before choosing what cryptocurrency to invest in. Feldman points out that in order to avoid pump and dump schemes, you should now not invest in smaller/newer cryptos that are being heavily promoted on social media platforms. Remember that it's your responsibility to analyze the funding risk of a given cryptocurrency and that social media experts may no longer have your best interests in mind. Additionally, you may be in a position to minimize your exposure to risk of fraud and cybersecurity hazard by investing through a large, reputable platform. Step 2. Select a cryptocurrency exchange. Cryptocurrency ought to be bought through an exchange such as Stash. Some elements you may wish to consider when deciding on an exchange are security, fees, the volume of trading, minimum funding requirements, and the types of cryptocurrency available for purchase on a given exchange. Step 3. Consider storage and digital wallet options. If you select not to invest through the extra popular platforms, you'll need a crypto wallet. These hold the non-public keys that allow you to access your crypto by unlocking the digital identification that is associated with your ownership, recorded on the blockchain. You can opt for either a hot or cold digital wallet. A warm wallet is accessible via the web and is generally more convenient. A cold pockets is a physical storage device, much like a USB drive, that keeps your cryptocurrency keys absolutely offline and generally more secure. Step 4. Decide how much to invest. Just like any investing, the amount you choose to put into crypto will depend on many factors, such as your budget, risk tolerance, and investing strategy. You'll also want to consider any minimum investment requirements and transaction costs, which vary across crypto exchanges. Feldman points out, most exchanges allow you to invest on a dollar basis, rather than buying a whole coin, so you don't have to come up with tens of thousands of dollars to invest in Bitcoin, for example. Focus on the total dollars you want to invest and not the number of coins you want to buy. Also, always remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Step 5. Manage your investments. Cryptocurrency is a unique investment because it can be used to buy things and can also be held as a long-term investment. How you manage your crypto holdings depends on your investing strategy and goals. You may wish to consider applying the Stash way, a philosophy focused on regular investing, diversification, and investing for the long term. Stash can help you manage your crypto investments with automated investing portfolios that include exposure to cryptocurrency. In summary, if you're a do-it-yourself investor who believes in the long-term or short-term potential of cryptos, you can browse crypto offerings directly to research and decide which investments are right for you. Keep these in mind and please do your own research before you venture into it. That will be all for today. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.